Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see all posts like it on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, click on menu option, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, click on settings, scroll down, tap on activity log, click on activity history. Okay, just wait few seconds. Okay, click on filters, tap on all categories, tap on this option, click on comment and reaction. After that tap on like and reaction. Okay, then see all posts like it on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.